Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to create task template in ClickUp. So in ClickUp, in order to create a task template, you will have to create a task first, of course. So click on the new task right here and name your task. Then simply go down here, add your description. Then simply go right here, add your assignees, due dates, priorities, tags, and all of it that you want, and then simply click on create task. Now, in order to make a template from this task, you will have to go over here to this task, which is in my case is task 3. So click right here, and then I'm going back, and then simply click these 3 dots next to the tasks, as you can see. Then click on templates right here and click on save as template. Now you can enter a template name and choose which the people you want to share this with. So it could be all members, only me, or you can select multiple people. You can also enable public sharing right here and then just click on save template. Of course, you will have to insert your template name and then click on save template. It is really this simple, guys. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.